Hi everyone. So today I'm gonna walk you through a beautiful small Istrian village, Padna, with traditional stone houses. It's such a cute, beautiful Istrian village. You will see all of these stone houses already there. Church Saint Blaž. This is really like the cutest village. Here you have an amazing green view. Otherwise it's very small, about 2 square kilometers, and it has about 200 inhabitants altogether, half male, half female. So here we have an amazing view, fig tree. They are also very known for their extra virgin olive oil from special kinds of variety of olive trees. Some of them are old, even 300 years. Okay, I had to show you this view, so let's continue to that church. In the meantime, I hope we're gonna see as much as lot of these stone houses. Look, see a butterfly. An amazing view. Look at this butterfly. Okay, so here we have an amazing view, as you see. It's really amazing. It was raining through the night, so it's still a bit cloudy, but I hope you see this amazing green view. Amazing. And the vineyards in between, and olive tree fields. Okay, let's see now. We're gonna do a circle around this village. It's supposed to be very small, so but I really want to show you some of these old stone houses. Which you can see here, it's some construction working. So I'm gonna go here on top. Hello. Look at these amazing stone houses. So beautiful. The church. I don't know if I can go there. Maybe from the other side, if I think this is private. I'm really not sure. looking here. It's some construction working. Look at this, amazing. This is very old village. I also don't want to go here, I think it's private. I think if it continues here around. And probably we're gonna come all around. Let's go here. I think here is again some view. But it's a very bad light, so you cannot see. So that's why I'm gonna finish here, because I see really it's a very bad light, you cannot see nothing. So thank you for watching. See you in another one. Have a really lovely day. And ciao from Padna, Istrian small village. Ciao.